What is a habit and why are they important? A habit is something that a person does automatically, without thinking about it. They are often routines or rituals that people do on a regular basis. Habits can be both good and bad. Some habits are beneficial to your life and help you to be more productive. For example, if you have a habit of going for a run every day at lunchtime, this will help you to stay in shape and feel healthier. On the other hand, some habits can have negative effects on your life and make you less productive. For instance, if you have the habit of eating junk food every night before bedtime, this will make it harder to lose weight and will probably lead to health problems in the long term. The key thing about habits is that they become automatic over time. They're a lot easier to do than think about. The important thing is to identify the good habits that will help you and eliminate the bad ones. How habits affect our lives and how we can use them to our advantage. Habits are the things that we do every day. We all know that they can be good or bad. But did you know that they can also be a blessing? They can help us to get through the day without having to think about what we need to do next. They can help us to become more productive and successful in our work and personal lives. There are 3 different types of habits. Habits that are beneficial for us. Habits such as exercising, eating nutritiously, and getting enough sleep. Habits that are neutral for us, such as brushing your teeth. Habits that have a negative impact on our lives, such as smoking and drinking too much coffee. Habit can help us get through the day by doing everyday tasks for us. They will make us more successful and productive in our work and personal lives. How to create a habit that will change your life. It's not easy to create habits. That's why it's so important to have the right strategy in place. We all know that habits are a good thing, but we don't always know how to create them. And if we do, it can take a lot of time and effort. The key is to make sure you have the right strategy in place. There are many different tips and tricks out there, but they all come down to 3 main steps. 1. Decide on the habit you want. 2. Create an action plan with specific steps that will help you reach your goal. 3. Stick with it until it becomes a habit. A habit is created when a person does something repeatedly until it becomes automatic for them. Conclusion: the importance of creating good habits. It is important to create good habits in order to be successful and productive. There are many ways to create a habit, but the most effective ones are usually those that are the easiest or the most fun. One great way is to set up a reminder on your phone or computer for every day at a certain time. That way you'll be reminded and caught up with everything.